Picture this, you post a video online, and your heart starts racing as you wait for the likes to roll in. Every notification makes you smile a little more. But then, nothing. Maybe just a few likes. You start to wonder, was it not good enough? Am I not good enough? The world tries to make us believe that we need likes, followers, or attention to matter. But God's love for you has nothing to do with how many people notice you. Jesus didn't come to earth for fame, he came to save us. He lived a humble life and cared more about pleasing God than impressing people. When you live for God, your worth doesn't depend on what others think. It's already set by the one who made you. So the next time you feel like your value is tied to how many people like your post or notice you, remember this: God sees you, knows you, and loves you. And His love is worth more than 1,000,000 likes. Dear God, it's so easy to want people's approval instead of yours. Help me remember that your love is what matters most. Teach me to live for you and not for the world. Amen. Am I now trying to win the approval of human beings, or of God? Or am I trying to please people? If I were still trying to please people, I would not be a servant of Christ. Galatians 1 verse 10. Challenge for today. Before you post anything online or share something with a friend today, pray this: God, let this bring joy to you and show your love to others. Help me not to seek attention, but to seek you. Pay attention to how this prayer changes your heart. Until next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.